Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to link a card on your IHG account. If you don't have an IHG account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see your profile name at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile name. Then on this page, you will see several tabs. Click on Personal Info. Now, you will see a section for payment information. Then you will see an option for payment card. Beside it is an Add button. Click on Add. On the field provided, enter your card number and expiration month and year. After entering, click on Save. And now your card has been added. That's how you link a card on your IHG account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.